Now, once we have project description as our cursor rule, a good thing would be to add more rules, one for backend structure and one for frontend structure. Again, let's create these files manually and then ask agent to write actual content into these files. So we go cursor settings, rules, add rule, backend. In our case, I propose to select here apply intelligently and add description for this rule. So use this rule when working with backend. You see now this description appeared here automatically. Now let's create the same file for frontend. I created frontend MDC file and I set it to apply intelligently, use this rule when working with frontend. So now we will hope that agent will decide to use backend and frontend documentation in the correct place. Now we can go to agent and ask it to review all the code and create content for these files for us. Review the project and add frontend description to frontend.mdc and backend to backend.mdc. Let's run it. Cool, you see, so for frontend, it describes technical stack, pages, components, key features, how we manage chat history, how we manage streaming, user experience features, data flow, important patterns. So I guess you can imagine that this information would be important for a developer as a human. So it is also important for an agent when doing work and when working with frontend. Obviously, we can keep it for now, and you can modify this file if you want. You can add any other guidelines to it, or you can remove some guidelines if you find them incorrect. The same with backend. You can review technical stack, API description, response format, some system prompts, how we implement streaming, how we support AI models, configuration, message flow, important patterns. So again, you can keep it, you can improve it, you can add anything you want, or you can remove anything you don't want to see here. Now, once we have this documentation, we can switch to editor. We can select Git tab here, and we can commit these rules. It means that they will be shared between your teammates and applied to their cursor agents as well.